नमस्कार. आयच्या डिबेटीच्या कार्यावळीत तुमकां सगळ्यांक येवकार. मिकी पाशेकोच्या एसॉल्ट केसींतलो जजमेंट आयला आनी ताजे उपरांत कॅबिनेटांतली एक जागा वेकंट जातली काय कितें असो प्रश्न आसा. मुद्दो आमी ताज्या मुखार व्हरतात तो म्हळ्यार हो एक मुहूर्त किंवा ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी साधून मुख्यमंत्र्यान आपले अख्ख्या कॅबिनेटा कडेन परत पळोवन खंय तरी रिशफलिंग पुराय कॅबिनेटाची करपाची गरज आसा काय कितें. कारण कांय मंत्र्यांनी कितें कितें दिवे लायल्यात हें आमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा. तांकां घेवन आनी उरिल्लीं 2 वर्सां सरकार अशेंच चलोवपाचें काय ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घेवन एक होलिस्टीक रिशफलिंग करून मुखार वचपाचें हाजेर आमी भासाभास करतात. 3 मानेस्तां पयलीं आसात ते म्हळ्यार काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी आनी स्पोक्सपर्सन सुनीलबाब कोडणकार, स्वागत. दुसरे आसात ते बरोबर राज्यांतले एक नामनेचे पॉलिटिकल एनालिस्ट क्लियोफास अल्कुतीन, स्वागत. आनी तिसरे आसात भाजपाचे फुडारी आनी आमदार मायकल लोबो. हांव क्लियोफास तुमचे कडच्यान सुरवात करता. फक्त मिकी म्हण पळयनासतना एक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी टू रिशफल कॅबिनेट म्हणून मुख्यमंत्र्यान पळोवन इट्स टायम टू ब्रिंग इन सम यंग ब्लड, सम फर्स्ट टायम MLAs, बिकॉज वी हॅव सीन दी परफॉर्मन्स वेन द कॅबिनेट वॉज इनिशियली फॉर्म्ड. इट वॉज द ओनली क्रायटेरिया वॉज सिनियोरिटी. Today we should look at the merit also.
See, before you come to this general reshuffle, Mark Mickey सांगपा आहा. His conviction was done by the trial court. 3 times it was upheld.
Correct.
The Supreme Court did not even admit the petition. His sentence was suspended. The conviction was never suspended.
Correct.
So even when he was taken in the cabinet, he was a convicted person. Only the sentence was suspended.
Correct.
So to my mind, now his petition is rejected. So nothing big has happened. Only thing, he has to now go to jail. If his review petition which he has filed is not entertained. So from that time as to now, nothing major has happened from the public perception.
But minister functioning from jail is a very embarrassing thing for a government.
Correct.
That to a government which has a absolute majority.
No, correct. Government has absolute majority, but by taking him into the cabinet, it has very clearly shown that it is no different from others. So it is a same type of politics.
You're saying government has already compromised with the principles when they inducted Mickey.
Completely. And besides that, you look at the perception of the man in general public. So to that extent, I don't think it makes a big difference.
What about the general reshuffling?
Correct. Now, as far as general reshuffling is concerned, I don't think that the government is serious with performance or accountability. If at all they were serious with performance or accountability, they got an opportunity when the chief minister changed.
Correct.
Now, they did not change any ministers at that time. And they continued the same situation. And now, just because one minister has to go, I don't think the government is going to change. Though there are many non-performers who deserve to be knocked out.
You don't have any hope from the chief minister?
No. In fact, if you ask me, I can name them, but maybe let us wait for that.
दिसता की जे नॉन परफॉर्मिंग मिनिस्टर्स आसात तांकां ड्रॉप करून ही ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी सरकारान घेवपा जाय. इवन एज अ ओपोजिशन पार्टी गोंयची बऱ्या खातीर तरी नॉन परफॉर्मर्स शूड गो आउट ऑफ द कॅबिनेट.
पयलीं म्हणल्यार कॅबिनेटाचें रिशफल करप, कॅबिनेटान आपल्या कोणाक घेवप कोणाक ना घेवप इज आय बीइंग इन द ऑपोजिशन ऑल्सो आय विल से इट इज द सोल प्रेरोगेटिव्ह ऑफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड द गव्हर्मेंट.
Correct.
But at the same time, the government is accountable to the people of Goa. So this government had said, the ex-chief minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar also had said on many occasions that I will see the report cards of the cabinet colleagues and accordingly I will decide reshuffling of portfolios or whether you want to drop some ministers and all these things. So last time also, as Cleophas Bab has said, during when the new chief minister took over, not much reshuffle.
That time the argument was,
but now I think
together. Well, Manohar Parrikar was the tallest figure. He was going to Delhi. We don't want to rock the boat. We don't want to do too many things.
It is making substantial changes at the time when a new chief minister comes in. Where's the question of rocking the boat? And now, if that is rocking the boat is not to be done, why will they rock the boat now?
Because the basic argument that they told journalists at least, that the new chief minister is taking over. So let us give him time. Now Pasekar is firmly in his chair. He has presented his first budget. He is acquiring that authority. So can he seize this opportunity?
But look at it this way. 2.5 years time you conducted your survey. At that time, the performance of the government by your survey said was below average.
Yes.
Your survey said that the government is as corrupt as the past one.
And cabinet performance was the worst performance.
Was the worst performance. Of course, the chief minister at that time was seen as a performing chief minister.
Correct.
No doubt about that. If that is so, then it was the time for the then chief minister to have a performance audit of his ministers, which he has not done.
मायकल तू तर काय मिनिस्टरांचेर ओपनली पिकार आसा तुका तांची परफॉर्मन्स आवडना.
Michael may have a problem answering your question because if he has to be inducted now and if he talks
should not answer my question.
Yes, he should not.
Then he
answer
should
your
not
question.
answer my question.
people of Goa आमचे गोंयकारांनी आमकां क्लियर मॅन्डेट दिल्या. सी वन शूड अंडरस्टँड आनी सगळे आमचे गोंयकारांनी ऑपोजिशन जे आमचे बाजून आहात काँग्रेस जावं इंडिपेंडंट ऑपोजिशन तेणी अंडरस्टँड जावपाक जाय की गोंयकारांनी आमकां क्लियर मॅन्डेट दिल्या 21 BJP MLAs प्लस MGP जे आमचे कोलिशन पार्टनर आसले आनी जे कित्याक दिल्या जे करप्शन अर्लियर गव्हर्मेंटान आसले जे दादागिरी तेंची चलताली ते गोंयकारांक केअरलेस करताले ते खातीर दिला. सो आयज एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टरान जे परफॉर्मन्स केला बाय हिमसेल्फ एंड फ्यू मिनिस्टर्स फ्यू सिनियर मोस्ट मिनिस्टर्स तेणी जे परफॉर्मन्स केला बाकीचे म्हाका दिसना मिनिस्टरांनी परफॉर्मन्स केला. जे एक्स चीफ मिनिस्टरान सांगलेले आय विल टेक performance audit every year. He took first year also, he took second year, he took, and then he said I will take again review in 6 months. By the time he had to go to Delhi, but now next new chief minister has taken over. He has got the full responsibility with him. The full prerogative of changing any minister also is with him.
Correct.
But I feel as a MLA of BJP and as a Goan person, that besides MLA also I feel as a Goan that he needs to actually sit and think because we have absolute majority. 21
So
जाण
if
आमी.
you are not going to do it now, when are you going to do it?
या 21 जाण आमी आहा आनी कोण तो म्हणूंक शकना की आपल्याक तुवें काडला आपूण सोडून वयता. कोण सोडून वयचा ना खंयसरूच सगळे हिंगा आसा BJPनूच आहा.
You want
But
to
if you want to perform and show the Goans, yes, BJP is a party with a difference, he has to take strong steps.
You want reshuffling.
Not reshuffling, major reshuffling जावपाची गरज
You want
आहा.
a major reshuffling.
मेजर reshuffling जावपाची. सोडून द सिनियर मोस्ट आमचे जे मिनिस्टर आहात ते परफॉर्म करता. तूं if you go in the secretariat, you will see few ministers in the chamber every day. Deputy Chief Minister आमचो दयानंद मांद्रेकर, you will see Milind Naik. Means these people are actually working.
They are hands on.
Means they are working. I can see them working because every time I went to
You are
the
saying other ministers you can't even see working.
secretariat
Yeah.
ते असता. बाकीचे मिनिस्टर जे सेक्रेटरिएटान येतात ते आपली कामां करूंक येतात, लोकांची कामां करूंक येनात. So they
You have strong words coming from a BJP leader.
no,
that-
the chief minister and our party, Bharatiya Janata Party, which is a party with a difference, has to think.
show the
आमकां
difference.
परतून जिखोन येवपाची गरज आहा.
Show the difference.
Of
Okay.
course.
Okay.
Show the difference.
You have very harsh words coming from a BJP leader himself.
Correct.
Yeah.
Now see, what he says is correct. they need to change. But the history has shown us that they are not going to change. Look at I told you about 2.5 years.
Correct.
ZP polls defeat. Now in particularly
That's
now.
what I'm saying. After ZP poll, this is a good
Good,
opportunity.
correct. It is certainly
Yes, I
it
will
is
interrupt
certain
over here.
it is certainly an opportunity.
You look at the senior ministers, except the guys who are working, and you see the new people, new MLAs who have got elected on BJP ticket. People have shown faith. You look at young
You
BJP
are
MLAs
saying-
who have got a lot of things.
You are saying
to,
ZP election results perfectly indicate who should be dropped and who should be
Yeah.
kept in the cabinet.
आता आमचे यंग MLAs पळय तूं डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंत आता नेवो येयला सिद्धार्थ नायक आमचो निलेश काब्राल सांगे MLA सुभाष फळदेसाय. These are
You are
strong
there.
MLAs.
You are there.
See, I am not. I want to become minister or म्हाका करूकूच जाय हांव म्हणना ते तेंचेर आहा. आमच्या
You are saying there is enough choice within the party.
I am telling you, these are the few guys whom I named just now who are strong, who can deliver,
You are saying
who
there
can
is
get
option.
works done, who will go to the people. थिंगात रावचे ना ते आपले चेराचेर
So when there is an
So these
option,
are
utilize
active.
it.
No, there is an option and there is a clear majority. Not like Congress time. जो तर ह्या मिनिस्टर काडी जाल्यार सरकार पडटलो तशें सिच्युएशन ना आमचे सिच्युएशन स्ट्रॉंग आहा खाली डिसिजन घेवपाची गरज आहा
एक गजाल खरी न्ही सुनील की काँग्रेसीच्या टायमार जे म्हणजे कॅबिनेट वॉज आउट ऑफ नीड रादर देन आउट ऑफ मेरिट ऑर सिनियरिटी कारण हाका ह्या कारणा खातीर सांबाळपा जाय हाजे कडेन आनीक 5 जाण MLA आहा म्हूण ताका त्या खातीर सांबाळपा जाय द होल कॅबिनेट फॉर्मेशन यूज टू बी आउट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल कंपल्शन्स this time this government doesn't have to follow those political compulsions.
So if I completely agree as far as what he has said in the past, there were a lot of political compulsions which had to be taken care of. Now the scenario is different. They are having quite a comfortable majority in the house. At this time, as we have been discussing, the government has to see the interest of the state and not in the interest of the party. Even Michael Babu, what he has said, to some extent I will agree to him. Some ministers are performing and some ministers are not performing. I don't think there is a difference of senior and junior ministers over there. There are MLAs who are 2-time, 3-time legislator. Perhaps maybe some maybe his friend like Milind Naik he has said is a performing, he is the most useless minister. Power
No,
department.
but he is always there to listen to the ruling and opposition MLA that is trying his best.
If you
म्हणजे
sit
तो
there and try
what
and
try to be done.
even the office staff is there.
दुसऱ्यांच्या भाशेन ना प्रयत्न करता
But there are
प्रयत्न तू करना.
तू त्यांच्या टायमार मिनिस्टर पयशी पावर मिनिस्टर आयज जो तर पावरान प्रॉब्लेम जाला पावर डिपार्टमेंटान प्रॉब्लेम जाला फेलियर जाला आमकां जो तर पावर लोड शेअरिंग करचें पडटा कालापुटान इज द टोटल फेलियर ऑफ Alex Siqueira, the ex तो खाली येतालो
You should have rectified it by now.
Let us not blame anybody else. But
Correct.
one thing is very clear that the government is a non-performing government. No doubt about that. And if its image has to change, then there has to be a major reshuffle. There are 2 years now for the new elections, for the fresh election 2017. So there is enough time. You can't even
1
say
year
that.
10 months are there
Okay.
for code of conduct.
Michael is already counting the
I
days and
think he has
months.
already
year,
started
10
his
months.
campaign. He
Michael
has
is
already
already
started his
counting
campaign.
the days and
Yes,
months.
already started his campaign. So it is, but still 1 year 10 months also is a long period if you want to give a new face.
Correct.
But history tells us that nothing is going to change.
You're
Because the whole thing is working on regional representation, community representation, and those type of things rather than
See,
performance.
we let us be very frank that we have all representations in BJP.
And you are
It could
saying
be
that
from
you
the
are enough
minority.
talent within the BJP.
Yeah, minority.
Ah.
You look at Ganesh Gaonkar. Ganesh Gaonkar is also a strong person. He can be replaced with another strong person from the other end.
Other end.
See, community.
So you are
if
saying
talking
that Ramesh Tawadkar should be replaced without naming Ramesh Tawadkar.
No. Community is also उलयता.
I am not saying this.
बाप प्लेयर्स community उलयता, religion उलयता.
There is option for everything. There is option for everything.
Correct, but
भारतीय
exercise
जनता
option.
पार्टी इन गोवा इज अ पार्टी विथ अ डिफरन्स कित्याक म्हटलं हांवें आमी सगळ्यांक चान्स दिला
हय.
आमच्या पार्टीन
आणि
आमच्या
तुम्ही
मायनॉरिटीक चान्स दिला सुंचे एकाच सोडूंक ना भायर
There is performing
Ah,
options also.
yes,
Okay.
100%.
म्हाका एक क्लियर आता फॉर एक्झाम्पल मिकीची केस
Yeah.
सपोज तुम्ही सांगता तशी सिनारिओ आसा विच इज तुम्ही आपल्याक कांयच होप ना म्हणून व्हडले रिशफल जातली अशी
yeah.
बट मे बी अलोन मिकी मायट हॅव टू रिझायन
Correct.
इन दॅट सिनारिओ दॅट इज अगेन एन इंडिकेटर
Correct.
थंय कितें करतले म्हणटा तुमी थंय दे वील अगेन गो फॉर अ मायनॉरिटी फेस फ्रॉम साऊथ गोवा और दे वील से की ओके नाव लेट्स गो ऑन मेरिट let's not look at south
No,
or regional
here-
representation, let us go and fill that vacant berth on merit.
No, but the right thing to do is to take the most meritorious person as he sees.
If there is a vacancy.
If there is a vacancy. But then cabinet formation is never about competence. It's always about regional representation, community representation. So if you look at that scenario, possibly they will want to replace a Catholic person from the south.